that you want to wrap me all up and take me home with you. When you gave me all ambitions, boy, you showed me things come home. It plays another let me go. On the second day of Christmas, said you feel like something's missing, so you promised me the promise ring to keep till we get older. Yeah. On the third day of Christmas, we got all in our feelings. Said I loved you, I meant it. Hey, oh, and I felt we committed. Anytime we could get it, is there one I know?
Fire stick cord, and it's rather short, so I had to go like at an angle. I need to get a longer cord for it so that I can make it go straight down. Excuse the mess, I'm in the process of cleaning, but I mean, it looks better than the black cords, but it is like really stressful. Maybe I want to get like a speaker, but would I want a big ass speaker like that? I guess for now, does that look better? I guess for now that'll have to do. Yeah, that'll just have to do. I am on my way into urgent care because I possibly may have shingles. What? Little rash on my back, and I kind of just thought that maybe I like scratched myself. I thought maybe I was like allergic to some of the new products I was using, so I didn't really think anything of it. But it's been about 4 days. It's starting to hurt. So my grandma and my mom's like, you have shingles. And I'm like, I don't have shingles. Isn't that like an old people thing? But apparently my sister also had shingles when she was in high school. So I guess anybody can just get shingles. So I'm on my way to urgent care to see if I in fact have shingles. So let's go. Yourself. I'm married little Christmas. So, yep, I do have shingles. The doctor said that it's only contagious if they're like open, and people who haven't had the chicken pox, that it's contagious. But since it's been almost a week that I've had it, he thinks I should be fine to continue on as normal. I'm at the pharmacy now waiting for my prescription, and I think I'm gonna get some chamomile so that I won't scratch at all, because I've kind of been like scratching a little bit today. So I'm gonna get that and put that on, and I should be good. This is probably going to be a very short vlog because when I get home I need to edit the vlog for today to get that out, and probably just going to lay around since I now have chicken pox, shingles, and it's crazy. Even the nurse was like, when she saw what he wrote down, she was like, oh, I thought only old people get this. Girl, me too. I thought shingles was an old person type of thing. But he said it's probably from stress, or if I was just sick recently. And I haven't been sick. That's why I was like, I don't think that there should be anything wrong. Like, I don't feel sick. I feel perfectly fine. But I have been like very overwhelmed with stress. So I guess I just brought the shingles out of me. But yeah, it's annoying. But I guess your body will tell you when something's wrong or when you're doing too much. And I guess this is my body's way of telling me that I'm doing too much. I literally work 6 days a week in school, I'm doing a lot, and I guess this is my body's way of telling me that. But it's not like I can stop. You're just ruining the good parts. Like, me having shingles has done nothing with my stress. I'm still stressed, okay? I still have to do all the stuff that caused me to be stressed in the first place. Now I just don't get to do the thing that I was looking forward to, you know, relieve some stress. But whatever, it is what it is. But yeah, I'm pretty sure this is gonna be it for this vlog. I don't really have anything else. If I do decide to pick up, I'll add to it. If not, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow for the next Vlogmas.